Hello family, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new person, I warmly welcome you. I say akwaba to you, you are warmly welcome. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? And also share the video and give us a thumbs up. If you're an old person, thank you very much for coming back. Today we are sharing with you how to make this delicious and healthy green salad, okay? Very easy to do, and it will take you just 10 minutes to have this bowl of salad ready. So stay tuned and enjoy. And I want to thank you all for supporting me and all your kind wishes. So with this recipe, we're using 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar here, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and also 3 cloves of garlic, and also some chicken breast. I have some pepper and salt to taste, and I have my zucchini here, and also some leaves, onion, and avocado. Okay, so I'm going to just cut our greens, but I normally squeeze it to just make it a little bit softer. So we're just going to cut it into big chunks, okay, just very big chunks here. And because you squeeze it, you find that this is very soft and fluffy as you want it, because normally this salad, they are quite hard to just eat it like that. But when you squeeze it a little, then you find it to become a little bit soft or fluffy for you. So we're going to cut our zucchini or small cucumbers into another big chunks here, okay, or any size that you are comfortable with is okay with you, but just give it a very nice cut here. Okay, so we're cutting every all the ingredients here. So we also give a very nice cut to the onions too. Okay, so as you can see, using red onions here, it gives it a very nice flavor and also add color to your green salad. But you can choose to use white onions, that's okay with you if you prefer white onions, because the red ones are quite strong for other people. So we have our chicken breast here that is already been grilled here, and I have allowed it to cool. I'm going to use my hand. As you can see, I'm just tearing them apart. I don't want to use the knife. It gives me that nice size that I want. I can use it as I want, yeah, but you can decide to cut them. But you can also use tuna for this recipe, that's okay, or any other meat that you are comfortable with. But with the chicken one, I love it. I love this taste also, okay. So but you can use tuna or fish for it. So we're going to make use of our avocado here. So as I'm saying, you can add any vegetable of your choice to it, okay. So you can decide to use avocado or any other green vegetable or fruit that you want to add to it, okay. You can decide to experiment with other things, okay. So this is how my chicken and everything has come together. So as I'm saying, within 10 minutes your salad is done. So I'm adding the 1 tablespoon of olive oil, my vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar, but you can use any other vinegar that you are comfortable with. And I've added my lemon juice, and I'm adding my pepper and my salt to it. For the pepper and the salt, it is optional. You can decide to omit the pepper from it if you don't want it spicy, but this also give it a very nice taste, a unique taste to your salad, okay. So because this is a healthy salad, you can add this to you decide to add black pepper if you wish, okay. That's another form of flavor that you get, okay. But I added this the red one, and it was amazing and it tasted good, okay. So that's the dressing that I have already prepared, okay, with your vinegar, with your olive oil. You can decide to also use coconut oil if you are not comfortable with the olive oil. You can decide to use coconut oil. I think coconut oil, olive oil, it works great for you, okay. So with this salad, you can decide to take it as it is, or add it to a meal, or have a very nice and beautiful fruit juice, and you are done for the day. Okay, or whether afternoon or evening, you are good to go. Okay, this is very healthy. This is my go-to salad, and I have different kinds of salad that normally I prepare, but this one, the kids love it, and I also like it. Okay, and everybody, this can be your side dish somewhere on your table. And as you can see, the salad is done. So if you like what you are seeing, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also give us a thumbs up, and please share the video, okay, and invite others also to this channel. I thank you all very much for all your kind words and for all your support. It has been amazing. But don't forget that your strength comes from the Lord. Never give up in anything or every good thing that you are doing, okay? Let God be your hope. Know that I like you, I love you, but Jesus loves you more, okay? So never give up and hold on. Everything is going to be okay. So at the end of the day, this is the salad that we just came up with. Thank you very much for watching, and bye-bye for now.